Hello guys, welcome to 5 Minute Solutions, and in this video we will show you how to change the font size on Twitter. So let's get started. First of all, changing the font size on Twitter is really easy, at least easier than other websites like Facebook and Instagram. We'll show you how to do it step by step. So first, open Twitter on a web browser. PC is not mandatory, but PC will make your work easier than your mobile phones, so make sure you're using your PC. After opening Twitter, you'll see a few options on the menu on the left side of the screen. You'll click the menu named More. There's 3 dots and a circle on the More option. After clicking More, you'll see many other options popping up, and the second from the last option named Display, click there and you'll see many other options coming up here, like the color, the background, and the font size. To change the font size, you'll just have to toggle the font bar up or down, to small to big. If I make it extra small, the fonts will be smaller. If I make it normal or small, the fonts will be default shape. If I make the font on default mode, and it'll be a little bit bigger than small, but I'm comfortable with small, so I'm gonna keep it small. And if I click done, the fonts are permanently set on small fonts. So that's how you can change font size on Twitter. Hope this video was helpful to you guys. Make sure to like this video, share this video, and subscribe to the channel. Have a nice day and peace.